All right, I just recorded this video. It'll be separate from this, but just a quick rundown on the highlights. Created an economic review of the Dominican Republic. One of the strongest and most resilient and I had a hard time getting through it as well. The Dominican Republic maintains one of the strongest and most resilient economies in Latin America and the Caribbean. It ranks as the largest economy in the Caribbean. Caribbean? I say Caribbean. I don't know why. Most people say Caribbean, I think. Anyway, we just talked about this quickly, and then I didn't want to put real estate on the end of it. It was a 15-minute long video, and you can see the highlights in the background here. And we got some really good news coming for Dominican Republic. Long-term investment by big corporations, Google, the submarine cable going to Puerto Rico for transmission, the link to the States for high speed and AI, Nvidia, all kinds of stuff. But coming up, we're going to be talking to Patricio. He runs a boxing gym out inside of this one. This is the top floor of the casino building in Sosua. What's it called? Coral Bay Casino and Convention Center, something like that. The elevators are working. They weren't working at the boxing event that I was there at. Super Bowl Saturday. So coming up, we're going to see on Wednesday, today's June 1st, by the way, time check, 10:59. Temperature check, 90 degrees. I says, pardon? It's warm. Wednesday, I'm going to be in the park getting some footage of the kids, boxing, working out, a little bit with this guy, a lot with this guy. He's training the kids. That's Patricio. He's a Dominican, former NYPD. Decent guy. He does boxing events. He's got one coming up on the beach in 3 weeks in Cabarete. So we're going to get some footage of the kids in the gym, working out in the park. And then on Saturday, I'm going to have footage of a little sparring session in Puerto Plata. So by next week, we should have an interview with Patricio where we'll talk about his upcoming boxing event out front of, it's on Cabarete Beach. I should have a restaurant, I think. So that's that. Looking forward to that. Drop by and see my friend Reese. I didn't put her on camera here. I don't like putting people on camera without giving them notice, and I don't even actually like asking them for permission to go on camera. But this is Roots. It's at the, I want to say it correctly because I say Colibrí, but it's not. That's not how you say it. It's Hummingbird. Colibrí? Colibrí. Colibrí. What do I say? Colibrí. Let's see how it's said.
Hummingbird.
Yeah, I get a hummingbird. Sorry, wrong language.
Colibrí.
Colibrí. That's why I got it wrong. Colibrí. Colibrí. See,
Colibrí.
Colibrí. Colibrí. Colibrí. El Colibrí. Yeah, when you get the accent, it's not a different word in this case, but lots of times it is. Colibrí. Go see my girl, Reese. And I've got the other, I can't remember the girl's, Carol. And I can't remember her other name. There's a couple different bars here, but a beautiful spot. I mean, I have to check in. I will give you some more details on this. I think I'm going to do like a deeper feature on this where I'm going to get a full tour, maybe go through some rooms, quote you some rates, maybe even, who knows, maybe I'll do a live broadcast from this place. They got a great little DJ set up in the back there, really nice sound systems in both bars, a beautiful pool, a really nice kitchen, and a beautiful dining area. And it's reasonable. Up front, Thursday nights, they do karaoke, I think. Like, look at, and it's all poolside dining. Really nice, nicely lit and just furnished and beautiful grounds. Just an absolutely beautiful renovation on this place. So more on that later. I want to get out because it's kind of warm. Let's see if I can get my picture out of here. And so this is where we're, where are you? Where are you? I'm not, oh, damn. See, let's just, I had this whole Zoom thing ready. And what, now it's not cooperating? Okay. Can we get right down? No. Why can't we do it? It'd be nice if I could just zoom right down and bring you to where are you on this map? I come from these parts over here. Right in here. This little link between the two Great Lakes. St. Catharines. This is where I come from. This is where my parts are. Used to be. And this is where I is now. North coast of the island called Hispaniola. This is a nice little stretch of paradise here where it's all small town Dominican Republic. All of this here is all small town, all small beach towns. Beautiful. And here's where you go see Reese. I'm really having a hard time doing this. I had it all worked out, but I guess if you change the page, you have to do it like this. I promise on the way out it'll be better. Reese's here. Roots. And there's the facility. Roots is at the front. Down here we have another bar. This is the dining, covered dining area here. And then the rooms over here. Nice piece of land and a beautiful pool. And this is where we is. Right there. I'm sorry, I don't have the greatest. This would be better. I don't need that side piece, so to speak. Sosua Bay down here. You see, all of the north coast is all small beach towns. So, what are we doing here? 13 minutes of nothing? Oh, this is just like upcoming events. And should I just make this like a standalone video as well? A little time capsule of how hot it is. It's not even summer yet. Hurricane season starts now. All right. I guess that's just what's coming up on the Jim Fannon Show. Hi, I'm Jim Fannon. Call me today. You want to buy a house? 1-809-330-8926. Want to rent? Maybe you just want a vacation. Maybe you want to take an extended vacation for a month and kind of check things out. I'm your guy. I'm connected. I've got, as of, well, today I have 2 apartments in July, I'll have a 3rd. They're available now, but there's no I'm working on long-term tenants for both of them. If you want them, they're yours. We've got a studio 556 plus electricity, high speed included. And then I've got a 1-bedroom, 65-meter, second floor, 600 plus utilities. There's no internet in that one, so call it 650 with internet. Plus electricity. Available right now. For long term. I'm not booking in December for 3 months at this point because then it wrecks up my long-term plan. If they continue to be vacant, and bring me an offer. If you don't like the price of $600, bring me an offer. If you're going to be long-term, like a year, bring me an offer. You give me first and last and offer me something and say, okay, take it to the owner. I'll pitch it for you and see if we can get it done. Don't be scared off by the prices, both for buying or renting. So, yeah, I'm your guy. 1-809-330-8926 or buyingdominicanrepublic@gmail.com. If you have any questions at all, you can put them in the comments section. I usually read it, sometimes not the same day. The best way is to get a hold of me on the cell. Email comes in quick, too. Most social media I get quickly. Facebook I get right away, even though I don't spend too much time on it. But I want to help you get away for a little while. See a little bit of the world. I only know this part, but I know it pretty well now. I've been here almost 5 years. I got all the connection you need for everything. Lawyers, car rentals, what... I know most of the questions that you're going to ask, like, what about foreign investment? Like, how do I move money? And can I get a bank account? And, can I buy all that stuff? I got you. If I don't know, I'll find out for you. Okay? So, maybe I should just show you one of the apartments. Do I have one loaded here? No, I got a couple other things. Maybe. You can find us on social media here at the TikTok. Buying Dominican Buying Dominican on TikTok. This is my YouTube. Go give us a like. I've been having a few problems with the account. My problem is my reach. Well, I'll just show you my back end. Do I have it here? I thought I had it loaded. Oh, I got drones loaded. There we go. So lately, my views have been restricted. Oh, you can't see my views there. Because I've had some restrictions. So you've heard this before if you've been watching the show. I filmed some roosters in a cage. It got me a violence or cruelty to animals charge. Strike, and that's not good on your channel. And then I broadcast music, and that wasn't good either. But you can see as I start picking up interviews here, I had Mario Fama. That's a new release I just put out last night. But there's Flip Flop there. He's coming up like this. Flip Flop says it's easy to run a channel, and all you got to put is the Sosua in your real estate or Sosua in your YouTube channel, and you're good to go. No. My channel has not been that easy at 4 years old. Yeah, we've got almost just over 11,000 subs, but the traffic has been really suspect. But he's coming up on 400 views. Thanks for sharing it around if you're doing that. Mario Fama here is coming up on 600, just over 500 views, but he's got a couple videos there. I broke it up. I did a separate video for the one where he talks about the certification of realtors, but This is the one I want you to watch because I want you to move here. And I want you to look at commercials also. Jeez, this has turned into a horrible broadcast. This is Terraza Tropimar. You heard me talk about it almost every time I come out here. I want you to live here because it's one of the best buildings on the North Coast. Secure, safe, reasonably priced to own or rent. Like I said, that's not my drone shot. That's dingy too. Most of my drone stuff is pretty good. So call me. I got a place for you to rent right here. I don't know the temperature of that pool, but I'm guessing it's 90. I'll go down and check it today and report back later. Okay? Peace, love, hug your neighbor, and I am out.